Hey guys, today we are going to go over the new feature rewards. So right from the MobilePawn app, your customers will be able to see rewards at the bottom, right here where I have my test rewards as we set this up. If a customer were to come in and they were ready to get set up with rewards in Bravo, the first thing they're going to want to do is click on rewards at the bottom. Now I've already set up my account with rewards. What'll happen here if they don't have rewards yet is they'll scroll down, they'll be able to see the explanation right here, how you spend points and how to earn points. And at the bottom, there'll be a bar to join. They'll select that, they'll join, and they'll start earning rewards. It's that easy. Now we're gonna go over to Bravo and we're gonna check out what rewards looks like in the point of sale. All right, now that we're in the point of sale, we're going to go into rewards, how we're going to use them, how we're going to accumulate those. We saw a little bit of that on the app. First, I want to show you how easy it is to get rewards set up. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go into the actual store in our system config. It takes just seconds to start a plan. So at this point, we've selected our company and we've selected our rewards tab. At this point, so easy to set this up. We're just going to go into earning points, spending points. You can see all of our options here. And we even have terms and conditions. Now, using those points, we go into a customer profile. And we're going to go ahead and sell them something. So whether this is electronics, maybe it's some ammo, anything in between, we'll scan or type in that item. Maybe we want to sell a couple boxes here. We'll hit next. And in the checkout screen, our rewards are going to be bottom left. We can click on those and we can say how many points do we want to apply. So from here, I can select OK. We want to apply that $7. That's going to take that off right here. And we can go ahead and finish the transaction up. Maybe we're going to do a little bit of cash. We're going to print out our receipt. It's going to bring us back to the dashboard and we are done. So it's so simple to set up rewards, use rewards, and that's it.